everyone, welcome back to another video around the day here. We're just gonna get straight into it. Alright. Oh yeah, you're gone. Got him. Watch this. Woohoo! Woohoo! He's purple! It's purple! Shadow Clone does many jutsu against me. Nope, never mind, I don't. Oh! Oh no! Ow! Oh, hold on. Big! Oh my goodness! You must die! Oh! Noted as always, alright? We're back. Bro, let me... Let me see if my sense is Alright, so we're gonna do this character. We're gonna play. I haven't played this video on the channel, so I can't wait to see. Alright? Yeah, I'm getting it. Nope, I would've got him there. I would've completely got him. Oh yeah, I got him. Got him. Let's go! Got him. What's this? Got him. I wanna kill them! now we're gonna play one last bonus until the ultimate character will be unleashed on everyone. And I think you can guess who. We're going to do the bonus round with Pepsi Man. Pepsi Man! So basically, let's do it here. Get out of my face! Get out of my face! Oh no. I'm saucy. Fuck! Got him. The thing about this, hold on, pause for a minute. The thing about this character is that they're like really good at getting stuff. He has some hardcore hacks, so like, damn! Most of his stuff is hacks, so you all good. Don't complain. Because I'm trying to use the most cleanest. Oh, okay. Okay, right after I started blazing, bro. Got him. Oh my god. Got him. Oh, that was disrespectful. Oh my god, I'm absolutely saucy.
Really good.
Okay, well. Don't forget. Every day. I'm good there. Oh! Oh! Come on, get him! Get him! Get him! Get him!
Garbage.
No! Oh! Let's get a speedless! No! Speedless. Fuck! I thought I was oh my goodness. Wow. That was glorious. Okay, let me see if I'm still recording from AETHER. And I'm gonna play on his map. Because he's low-key goated, and he needs his, I don't know. Alright, let's do this guy. Nope. Ah! Nope. Oh! Ah!
Really, nigga?
Got him. Watch this. Oh! Yeah! Come on. No! Damn! Oh my god. Nope. Big! Oh! I'm on fire. Come on, man! Under block. Hold on. How does that? Whoa, 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 brother, whoa! God! Yes! Ah! Yes, sir! Oh my God, I'm better. Egg. 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 Whoa. Whoa! No. That's fair. Alright, so recording ended, but I have an announcement to make. I'm making a new series. It's called, in the chat. I don't know, but it's going to be like a podcast thing where where me and my friends just talk in group chat. Yeah, no, voice chat, I meant, not group chat. See you guys later. Here's the video that plays every time I end the video.
I love pounded jam, I love a good sea stew, I love a battle, when I mix it with stew, I feel it within my belly, mix the ass with pepper, mix the ass with pepper.